Welcome to the world of higher 3-door convertible side-by-side refrigerator, in short, SBS, where you get 62% fridge space, 17% fixed freezer space and 21% convertible space, which can be used either as a fridge or as a freezer. So you have a choice to use this as 83% fridge and 17% freezer, or 62% fridge and 38% freezer. This is an external digital LED touch panel on higher 3-door SPS. Without opening the door, you have complete control of temperature and mode selection. The higher 3-door SPS has DeoFresh technology, whereby specialized filters and odor-absorbing materials work to capture food smells while retaining food freshness for up to 21 days. Did you know that one of the reasons for food wastage inside your refrigerator is poor visibility? Higher 3-door SBS has better bright LED light. Now you can see better and eat better. Indian households have large and heavy utensils, and if someone tells you be careful with the glass shelf, don't be, because higher 3-door SBS has toughened glass shelves with chrome edges. It will take on the weight of anything. Literally anything. And it's a pleasure to say that higher 3-door SBS makes lots of ice with its 48-cube jumbo ice maker. Just twist the knob and let there be ice fall. There's a special hanging flexi box in the higher 3-door SPS. This will store your luxury beauty collection at just the optimum temperature. Higher 3-door SPS is available in premium glass and steel finishes that are scratch resistant, rust free and easy to clean. Be good, look good.